Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a birch tree painting, and we are going to be using very simple things such as knife, the brush and masking tape. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the latest video notification. So yes guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so I have used a masking tape here, and then the very first color that I'm using is the cobalt blue, and then I am going to use it white. So we're going to create a sky in the this potion, but it's more like the sky area would be blue and white, and the other colorful tree parts across this side, and we are going to be using afterwards the birch area with the masking tape. So we're going to use any brush that you're comfortable with. So I am really comfortable with this brush, and if you want to grab another one, definitely you can start with that. So do not try to blend the colors that's having one tone. You can put little different tones to the different places. And just to let you know that I have used the masking tape just to the edges of my canvas, so that the colors do not get out of these edges. Okay guys, so I have put a yellow, mid yellow color. You can have the scarlet, red, or scarlet simple, and then orange. So there's no need to do the very fine blending. So we can dab our brush like this. And now you come to know that why I put the masking tape just in the edges. Okay guys, so I have dried the lower layer, and then I have pasted the masking tape, and we're going to create the birch trees in here, and then definitely some little parts, some little ones across the sides as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to cover that between the tape area with the white color. I've messed up a little bit, don't worry, we're going to cover it with the other color. Now we have covered this wholly with white. Trust me guys, this is going to be a very beautiful look after you remove the masking tape. Now we're going to do the other parts as well, and we'll get you back. And when you are done with the white color, then you are going to grab a knife, and then that can be the small knife, or there can be the bigger knife. It's up to you. You are going to be using the black color like this, just to show the edges of the birch trees. And trust me guys, this is going to be very cool when you just take off the tab. Time. Oh wow, that was so cool. Ooh. I use crimson color. I forgot to tell you before that I have used crimson color and burned amber plus yellow ochre as well, just underneath that. And then now we're going to be using the crimson crows here. This is going to be more watery part, so I'm going to use the same colors here as well, but it's going to be light. So I'm going to first blend it out in this way, and then we'll use white. Trees and their reflection on the water. So the fun part in here is using the same knife. We're going to have little leaves across some of the areas, so we'll do it like this. So guys, we are done with the painting. Now we're going to peel off the tabs. So guys, you can see that it's having very clean area just because that I put tab here. So now we are done with the painting. And guys, if you like the painting, please press the like button below. And I hope so that you try it at home, and please let me know in the comment section below what else do you want me to paint for you guys. And so see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.